Call me Chicken Little because the markets are crashing. The sky is falling. The next major crash is upon us. This is why you shouldn't invest your money in the stock market. I'm kidding. That's stupid. There's a lot of noise out there right now, and if you were to listen to all of it, you would never invest because, according to someone, the next big crash is always right around the corner. We're at the precipice of a massive crash. And you know what? Eventually, they're going to be right. The market is always going to have a crash. And for all I know, the crash could be tomorrow. It could be 5 years from now. But it's ludicrous to say, oh, we're at all-time highs. The market's going to crash. No one actually knows when it's going to crash. It could, but honestly, we've been reaching all-time highs now for the last couple of years. So why didn't it happen 2 years ago? Honestly, none of this matters. Now, obviously, a market crash tends to have other implications. So the most common one would be unemployment, which is obviously a terrible thing. But when we're looking at it purely from an investment standpoint, a market crash is actually a good thing. I mean, just think about it like this. You're basically getting all of your investments on a Black Friday sale. So it's really the best time to buy more, right? You're not going to, the 1st of November is not when you buy a TV, right? You're going to wait till Black Friday to buy the new TV. At least, you should and get it on a deep discount. Well, when the market crashes, that's exactly what's happening. You're getting a deep discount on your investments. Now, there are some caveats, of course. For example, buying an airline stock when most people aren't flying may not be your best bet. But as long as the fundamentals of your investment haven't changed, it's a perfect opportunity to buy more, right? If you're buying, let's say you're investing in Microsoft and Microsoft drops by half, but the fundamentals of the company and your investment stay the same, nothing changes. It didn't drop in half because Microsoft, is filing for bankruptcy or something, right? It just dropped in half because the market crashed. That's the perfect time to buy more. That is the best time to buy more, right? You're going to make, if it goes back up to the price it was, you're going to make 50% on your money. That's awesome. So basically, as long as your investment thesis and investment idea remains sound, buying more during a market crash will make you more money in the long run. That's it. Let's take a look at everyone's favorite benchmark, the S&P 500. If you sold your investments in 2008, 2009 because the market was crashing or crashed, look at all the incredible gains that you missed out on over the last 12 years or so. From the bottom of the market in 2009 till now, you would have earned over 400% in interest investing in the S&P. Same concept goes for any market crash, even most recently as March of 2020. Now, recessions and crashes don't always turn around as quickly as things did in March of 2020. Sometimes they can take years. For example, using 2008 as an example again, the market really didn't start turning around until 2013 or so. So, it took about 5 years for the market to turn around, but look at the incredible gains that we've had after those 5 years. So if you were buying in that 5-year period where the market was down, you've done very well. And if you sold your investments and stopped investing over those 5 years till the market started to recover, you lost out on a lot of earnings. So you don't want to be the one holding the bag. The point is this: the market will go down again, but in the long term, and perhaps the very long term, you will come out ahead if you just keep investing. As Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful. And I think this perfectly sums it up. Buy good investments when the market is low. So whether the market crashes tomorrow, whether the market crashes 5 years from now, that's a great time to buy. Take advantage of that. That's all for this video. I hope it puts into perspective what a market crash might mean for you and why, no matter how high or low the market is, you should just continue to invest. And if you're not investing, you should start today. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. That actually works. No kidding. Let's try it. Let's try it again. Whoa, a guitar too.